Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a private story on Snapchat. A private story is just a story where you choose who can view the story, so you can choose specific people who can view it. Also, sorry if my voice sounds kind of raspy. I caught a cold or something of that sort, but yeah, so first go to Snapchat, and then once you get onto Snapchat, create a snap that you want to put on your story, your private story. So once you have it, click send. I will just draw hi real quick and then click send to. Don't put it on your story yet. And once you click send to, you have the option to make a new story. It's right under the search bar in the top right corner. If you click on that, then you'll have the option to create a new private story. If you click that, then it'll give you the option to add specific people to your private story. As you can see here, I can choose whoever I want to be in the private story, so I can choose Wordman, and then create a title for the private story. You can put whatever you want, I'll just do private. And then once you do that, click next, the little blue arrow in the bottom right corner. And if you click that, then it will send out the story to whoever you put in the private story. So as you can see, I sent it. And then if I go to my profile and scroll down to the stories, you can see that it has 0 views and it's private, but it's not my normal story. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below, and add me on Snapchat if you want to, and I'll see you guys next time.